Hello everyone, it is Walt here once again, and I am bringing you another one of our life hack series, 101 ways to feel happy on a daily basis. So yeah, we are now on principle number 19 here. Yeah, principle 19, what's that one again? Oh yes, it is to tell someone that you love them. So telling someone you love them, what is this all about? Okay, this is not like the key to winning a first date. Oh, we had a good time, I love you. Okay, not that situation. But more like a family member, somebody close to you, somebody, if you have a romantic partner you're very close to, then go for telling them you love them. Why does this work, okay? This doesn't even have to be a person. Basically, we feel like it's weird if it's not a person, but you can tell a rock you love it, you can tell your bed you love it, you can tell your, TV you love it, because you should love your TV. How could you not? TV's so great. The point here is that when you tell something or someone that you love it, what you're really doing is you're also loving yourself, okay? Because here's how this works, and this is also how karma works to some degree as well. So it's not some force out there in the universe, this is psychology, this is the human mind at play. So when you send out love, when you say this is love, this is working kind of things. I also have a video on this from a Wayne Dyer series I shot earlier. Basically, when you are sending love to something, you are also sending love to yourself, because your subconscious mind is going to define you based on your different thoughts that you have and your interactions with others. Because if you're beating up on somebody, you're also going to be beating up on yourself. Negative thoughts come home to roost, as do positive ones as well. So when you feel, I love this, you are also loving yourself at the same time, because you're the one experiencing the love. Just like when you're hating on somebody, you are the one experiencing the hate. So when you're hating somebody, you are hurting yourself. When you're loving someone or something, you are helping yourself. So send love to someone, send love to something, say I love you, feel passion, because that is going to strengthen your happy neural pathways and make you a much happier and more successful person. Anyway, that's about it for this video number 19 in this series. I will see you guys next time with video number 20. So, stay tuned. I'll see you then.